Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from old dawn newspaper. General and common words are used in this dictation. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound shorthand dictations. Thanks. Start. In spite of the notable economic recovery in Pakistan and rise in industrial production by 14% in the first 6 months of this fiscal year and the boom in the Karachi Stock Exchange, which has made it to be held as one of the best performing exchanges in the world, foreign direct investment fell by 43% in the first 7 months of this financial year ending January compared to the same period last year. Full stop. In the same 7 months period, exports rose by 13% and imports by 14%, reflecting the increase in economic activity. Full stop. The foreign direct investment in the first 7 months was a low $339 million against $596 in the same period last year, while the target for the whole year is $1.4 billion. Full stop. The world's money people are ready to heavily subscribe to our bonds for $500 million because of its attractive interest rate, but are not yet ready to make fixed large commitments through direct investment in the economy. Full stop. For that matter, even in the portfolio investment in the thriving stock market, there has been an outflow of $37.9 million during the 7 months in place of the inflow of $21.4 million in the same period last year. Full stop. That means the world's portfolio investors, are watching, preferring to invest on fixed interest bonds, rather than take the plunge or the risk in the capital market. Full stop. The end.